Hello kids! Match the shadow of birds. You will feel great, take my word. First, let's look at each bird very carefully. Now, let's observe all the shadows. We are running a special timer to help you find similar shapes. Great! Thanks for participating. Pigeon is the third shadow. Sparrow is the first shadow. Owl is the fourth shadow. Crow is the second shadow. Now let's repeat the bird names. Sparrow, crow, pigeon, owl. Amazing! Are you ready for another bird shadow quiz? Focus on the shapes of all the birds and now find their similar shadows. We are running a countdown to help you identify fast. Great! You are so smart! Eagle is the third shadow. Peacock is the fourth shadow. Rooster is the first shadow. Parrot is the second shadow. Now let's say the bird names together. Rooster, Parrot, Eagle, Peacock. Share this bird shadow matching game with your friends. Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.